In today's video, we are going to recreate the embellishments done on this beautiful dress made by Vicky James. Her handle will be on the screen. Feel free to go connect with her if you're interested in doing that. If you'd like to see all about this embellishment process, please make sure to watch this video all the way through. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're yet to. Recommend this channel to your friends as well that you think will be interested in videos like this. Like, and don't hesitate to drop your thoughts, comments, suggestions, questions down in the comment section. Alright guys, let's get straight into today's video. For this embellishment, these are the items you'll be using. You need your fabric pencil for making your illustration, your thread of choice, your beads, your fabric of choice. I'm working with broken glass beads, sequins, and some gems. You guys will see how we go along in today's video. This is how to sharpen a fabric pencil. Just for those that might be interested, I just thought to leave the camera running so you see how I'm going ahead to just sharpen my fabric pencil. What I'm doing here is I'm also doing some illustration on my illusion mesh fabric. This style of embellishment is what we have going on at the bust area of these outfits that we are trying to recreate. I went ahead to also do some illustration on this piece of felt fabric just to mimic the embellishment that we have going on the body, the half length area of this particular outfit. I'm now going ahead to stick on my gems, my flat bottom beads. Okay, at this point you can use your claw stones or any type of embellishment you like. If you look at the inspiration for today's video, we see that we have some flat bottom silver kind of gems that were used to just create some outline of some sort, some demarcation, and in between those demarcations that were done with those flat bottom beads, we saw some beading with sequins and other types of beads going on at that portion. So for me, in my own recreation on here, I'm using this flat bottom round gems to just create some demarcation of some sort, and these spaces that we see in between, I will be doing some embellishments using my beads and sequins. I hope everything I just said makes sense to us. So this is the end result of me creating my demarcation. Now it's time for us to basically bead. Okay, and for this portion of the video, talking will not really do justice to the entire process. This is me just using some of the previous knowledge that we've shared on the channel to just embellish this fabric. I've done specific tutorials covering straight line beading, curved beadings, different types of beading. I have over 100 beading tutorials on this channel, and you guys will find them very valuable, especially for my new audience. If you don't know much about beading and you're trying to just learn the art of beading and embellishments, this channel is the best place to be. Make sure you're subscribed, make sure to turn on your post notification and turn on all notifications. Okay, most times the notifications you'll be getting will be about videos and things that is just, or things that are just supposed to educate us on the channel. So don't worry, you won't be spammed, you won't be bothered at all. All right, so I'm going to keep quiet now. I'll let you guys watch the embellishment process. But before I keep quiet, guys, a lot of discourse has been going on in terms of the price of clothing items, particularly in Nigeria. Like, what's going on, guys? I was recently trying to buy some clothes for the summer season coming up on here or out here in Canada, and I was looking at the prices of clothes on some of these ready-to-wear brands websites, and I'm like, oh my goodness, I'm going to be spending so much money if I decide to buy all of the clothes that I think I would love to own. And it's just like, what's going on? Is it the inflation that is causing this hike in the prices of clothing items, or are fashion designers or tailors, whatever they choose to call themselves, are they just taking the piss and just putting a ridiculous amount of money on their creations, right, their designs? I'm like, the moment you just see an outfit that they are giving foreign names. I was watching I Said What I Said podcast during the week, and they were talking about how once you see a foreign name on an outfit, just know that you are going to break the bank to buy the outfit. Or if you see a Nigerian name, you know that you will break the bank just a little bit. But once you start seeing all these French names, Spanish names, the señorita dress and the mamacita dress and the Claudia dress, just know that, oh my goodness, you are going to be paying a lot of money for those outfits. But it's just so mind blowing. And one thing you guys know about me is that on this channel, I'm not one to judge people or judge designers based on the amount of money that they are putting on their work, right? It's their call. I'm sure they have their target audience, and I mean, as a customer, if you feel like, okay, this designer's clothes is too expensive, I can't afford it, it's your job to just look for the one that falls into your budget, right? It's not your place to now start saying, oh, why are you charging this and that for your outfit, right? Look for the one that falls into your category. And that's exactly what I did. I went around just because I have a bunch of things that I want to buy, so I just went around shopping for people and designs that I like, first of all, and that the price point falls into my budget. So that's just something I just thought to mention randomly. I'm going to keep quiet now, for real, allow you guys pay attention to the embellishment that we're working on. Remember to like the video. Okay, please like, share. Feel free to drop your thoughts in the comment section. We are almost at 80,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for the love and support on the channel. I do not take your support for granted at all. I would never be tired of coming on here to just say thank you to you guys for your support. This right here is a passion of mine, and it's so mind blowing to see how far we've gone and how much we've grown. I don't even have the words. Thank you guys so much. I'm going to keep quiet. Enjoy the remaining part of today's video. All right, friends, so this is the end result for the embellishments that was done on the body. So at this point here, where I used my glue to just stick on these flat bottom beads, you can decide that you want to use clusters in your case. So let me show you what clusters look like. This right here is what we call clusters. We have them in different colors here, and they come in different shapes as well. For those that have been on this channel for a long time, you know that I've come on here to talk about these particular stones. These are more, trendy and luxurious, especially if you're making like a luxurious kind of outfit. This would be a very nice piece of accessory to use. Look how it sparkles compared to this one. This one also does the job, but it's cheaper basically. This is more expensive, and it will make the end result of your work look more quality. But because this is just a tutorial, right, and these things are kind of expensive, so I don't want to just use it for tutorial on here on the channel. You can replace the stones that I used here with the cluster stones that I just showed us, and like I said, they come in different shapes, so you can decide the type of shape you want to use for your own case. Also, I incorporated sequins. We see sequins here in the gold color. We also have some seed beads as well as some broken glass beads on here as well. You can even use crystal beads in your case instead of using these seed beads, because seed beads don't necessarily sparkle. You can replace these seed beads with crystal beads in your own case. You can use the 2mm or 4mm crystal beads on here and just create something beautiful. One thing I would like to point out is that when you're making luxurious outfits, so outfits for maybe a party, a celebrant, you want to use things that sparkle. I personally think that those types of gems and accessory would make the beauty of your work come out very, very well. So like I said before, change these ones to maybe cluster stones, change the seed beads to crystal beads, and you can also use these broken glass beads still, because broken glass beads, they sparkle a lot. So use your sequins as well. Sequins as well would sparkle and shine, and the end result will look absolutely phenomenal. I also used studs here, or rose montes. Different people call it different names. Okay, I see people in the comments always saying, oh, that's not the name, that's not, call it whatever you like, but you guys understand what I'm trying to say, right? So for those that call these studs, use studs, okay? You can use this type of stud on here and just create something fabulous. The goal is for you to just understand how to combine all of these things in order to create something beautiful. So this is what I have here. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. What I'm going to do next now is to work on my illusion mesh and just bead on this. You see these illustrations that I've done that look like, it just looks like flowers, okay? It's a flower-like kind of shape. I'm just going to go ahead to embellish this and show us the end result. So at the edge here where I did this outline, I'm going to be using this bead right here, my broken glass bead. I will sew it, and in between in here I'll use a combination of sequins and this broken glass beads. You guys will see everything that I'm talking about. If you're yet to hit the like button on this video, please be sure to hit the like button. That's your way of supporting me. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe and turn on your post notification so you don't miss any one of my tutorials. All right guys, let's jump back into today's video. All right, friends, so this is the end result of this beadwork. If you look closely at the outfit that is the inspiration for today's tutorial, we see that we have this style of beading along the chest area of the outfit. I'm going to put a screenshot or a footage on the screen beside, so you see how we have broken glass beads along the outline of the embellishment, and at the inner portion we have a mixture of sequins, as we can see, and broken glass beads. So I hope we all basically followed along when I was going ahead to show us how the embellishment is done. It's a very nice, you know, style. And we also have the stem situation here. I used only sequins for this one, and we see that something like that is also going on that outfit, and this is the end result. When transferring this or when trying to do this on an outfit, you know how you're going to just arrange it very neatly at the portion that you want it to be and create something fabulous. This style of embellishments can be on the sleeve, it can be on the chest area, just like what we have on the screen. It can be on any part of the outfit. Honestly, it's left to you to basically do your sketch first of all, have your illustration out, and determine what portion of your outfit do you want to put this style of embellishment in. And at the beginning as well, we remember this style of beading. We have something like this. So with embellishment, you can go off and create something incredible for yourself and for your customers, if that's the case. As usual, I hope we all enjoyed today's video. If you did, please be sure to give me a big thumbs up. That's your way of supporting me and everything that I do on here on the channel. Also remember to subscribe if you're not subscribed to the channel. Share this channel with your friends, and don't hesitate to drop your questions in the comment section if you have anyone for me. And yeah, friends, I can't wait to see you all in another amazing video very, very soon. Bye.